In this video, we're going to talk about South China Sea conflict. A lot of people must have heard about it, लेकिन कभी भी समझ नहीं आया कि मसला है क्या. South China Sea actually एक बहुत बड़ी water body है in the Southeast Asia. There are 6 countries who are the major stakeholders of this issue. Actually, this water body is loaded with oil reserves, gases and fish resources. और पूरी दुनिया में जितनी भी trade ships के through होती है, ये waters के through होती है, उन total में से 1/3 ships का trade route South China Sea है. तो obviously any country would love to control these waters. Vietnam, Brunei, Malaysia और Philippines claim different parts of these waters क्योंकि under international law, more specifically United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea, एक country की coastline से लेके up to 200 nautical miles तक, that is exclusive economic zone and the country have the rights to exploit the resources, चाहे वो natural gas हो, fishes हो या oil reserves हो under the seabed. And these countries are claiming only the 200 nautical miles under the international law. But China have the audacity to claim almost all the South China Sea, saying that China have the historical rights due to the 9 dash lines. और इन 9 dash lines के अंदर वो सारा एरिया भी आता है जो बाकी कंट्रीज क्लेम कर रही हैं, which makes it a global issue. There are 2 very important islands, Spratly Islands and Paracel Islands. These are 2 little islands, but whoever control these islands is going to have control over the whole South China Sea. हम already discuss कर चुके हैं कि why this issue is so important to everyone. First of all, it's a major trade route, plus it have natural gas and oil reserves. Thirdly, these waters have so much fishes that can provide livelihood to millions of people. Lastly and most importantly, जो भी country South China Sea को control करेगी, that country is going to have control or dominance over the whole Asia.